This 2026 NuCamp Tab 400 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new NuCamp is 18 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 4, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, microwave, refrigerator, LP detector, smoke detector, self-contained, TV antenna, external shower, auxiliary battery, and 28 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2026 NuCamp Tab 400 is 3,192 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.